Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing, testing, trying out, doing a full review on the brand new At Forest Sight palette from RAWBEAUTYKRISTI x Colourpop. That is right, you guys. I'm so excited to have this palette finally. It is so beautiful, and I just want to say the biggest congratulations to Kristi on this palette. She has killed it, absolutely slayed it. I'm so excited for her, and I know that 2020 has been such an amazing year for her. At least I think so. But I'm so excited for her, and I cannot wait to play around with this. But let's do that. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. Let's get started. So I am going to be doing my eyes first today. My allergies are all kinds of messed up, so I feel like my voice is very low, and I feel like I can't really hear myself all that well. So I do want to show you this palette first, but here is what the packaging looks like. And I would say one thing, I love the fact that Kristi wanted to do the cardboard packaging, because I prefer the cardboard packaging opposed to the hard plastic packaging. I think that the cardboard packaging is far more aesthetically pleasing to me. I don't know what it is, I just really like the cardboard packaging. I feel like you can do more design on it. I just like it better. And then when you open it up, here is what it looks like on the inside. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to play around with this. I have no idea what look I want to do today, but there's a lot of color in this palette, so we can definitely play with a little bit of color today. And I will do some swatches here for you. I haven't even touched this palette yet, to be honest, but I'm just gonna do some quick little swatches. Here are the swatches. I ran out of hand space, but they're beautiful. They're so freaking pigmented, all of them, and I think they just look so nice. So let's just get started. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but I do need to quickly prime my eyes first, so just give me one moment. Alright, so my eyes are primed and set and ready to go, so we are gonna get started. Oh my god. I'm firstly gonna start off with this shade called Puffball right here. That's like the really kind of a light brown shade. It's really cute. I love how Kristi named these shades after like fungi and plants and stuff. It's so cool, and it really screams Kristi, because I know that she loves where she lives. I believe it's Washington State. She loves that area. I think she recently actually officially moved into her new house with her husband, and it's like fully in the middle of the woods, like off the grid. And I gotta say, I really love that for her, because I know that's something that she's wanted to do for quite a long time. And not gonna lie, that sounds like complete and utter heaven. Like, I would love to do that. My boyfriend loves living in a city, so it would be kind of hard to get him to go and live in like a forest. See, I would be so down and I would be so excited, but you know, I'm happy with living in a city too. I really enjoy it, but I don't know, I feel like it could be like a dream of mine someday. Like, I really would like to be able to step outside my door, have like 0 neighbors, and just have nature around me. Like, I think that's really nice. It reminds me of like, it makes me feel like I'm an elf. Like a woodland elf, you know? I don't know. But this shade right here is blending out so nicely. It has a little more of a yellowy undertone. I didn't recognize that in the pan. I thought it was more of a brown undertone, but it does have more of a yellowy undertone, which it's fine. And I swear that was the easiest thing to apply. Colourpop shadows are Colourpop shadows. They are insane. They're very pigmented. They're really great to work with. So I'm basically gonna go into this palette thinking that it's already great. If something is off here or there, then I will definitely let you know, but it's probably gonna be really good because it's Colourpop. And I know that Kristi would not put anything on her name, would not put a name on her product if it wasn't great. So I am going to go ahead and deepen this up a bit here. And to do that, I'm going to go into Fiddlehead. Yeah, I'm going to go into a Fiddlehead right here, this light green color. And I am going to go ahead and just you know, lightly put this in the crease just as a little bit of depth, but I don't want to make it too dark. I just want to give it like a little extra something there. Yeah, really, really pretty. It is a little bit lighter than the other one that I used, so it's not as pigmented, but I think it's not meant to be, because I think this one is supposed to be kind of a lighter shade, and then you have your two darker ones next to it. I just can't get over how it's already almost Christmas. Like, I can't. It's November 21st as I'm filming this, and I don't even understand how it's November 21st. Like, where did November go? Did November even happen? I don't remember it. And that's so weird to me that I don't remember damn near anything about November. So I'm really into that. I am gonna deepen it up even more here because, gosh, I really want to play with this color today. Like, it sounds like, it sounds fun. The color sounds like a great time. No, it just, I don't know, it's really fun. I'm gonna go into Emerald City, right down here, and then I am going to deepen up the outer corners even more with this shade, because, oh, yes. And this is a beautiful kind of like emerald green color, hence the name, Emerald City. And I'm really just focusing this color on the outer, like the outer V. Just like that. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, that's so great. Like, I know that I keep saying the same thing over and over again, but I feel like the shadows in this palette all work so nicely together, and they have a very nice, they just work well. I almost said coercion, but that doesn't make sense. They work really, really well together, and I think that they blend so nicely. Like, look at that. Not one little skippy skip. Chef's kiss. Okay. For my lid shade, I am going to 100% go into Evergreen right here because it just looks too stunning not to use it. And I feel like you could definitely use a brush and setting spray to make it even more vibrant, but I will just use my finger first here. Oh, it's really cute. It's very nice. It is a bit more toned down. I think this is meant to be more of a topper, like a lid topper. So I am gonna go ahead and grab a brush and I'll spray it with some setting spray. Yeah, it seems to pick up on the brush okay. Yeah, I think I just like using the finger better just because I think it picks up better on the finger. It does become a little more vibrant, like a little more pigmented if you use the brush, but I don't know, I feel like it just works better on the finger. So that's what we're gonna keep doing. And it's so pretty, just look at that. And then I think I am gonna go into like the tiniest amount of West Coast right here. And I am going to put that like right in the center, like right in the center. Oh, yes. There we go. Those are gonna be the eyes today. Oh my gosh. I will come back and do the bottom lash line later, but I am gonna go ahead and quickly do my face makeup off camera, and then I will come right back. Hi, I'm back. So I apologize for the lighting. It is storming outside right now, and it wasn't doing this when I first started filming, but you know, it's Tennessee, so the weather doesn't know what the heck it wants to do half the time. So I apologize if the lighting's kind of dim. I tried to open up my blinds more, but it's just really dark outside, so I kind of look red. Can I fix it? I guess that's a little bit better. I don't know. Anyways, I finished my makeup, my face makeup. So now let's go ahead and go back into the At Foresight palette. And we're going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line. And I already know what I want to do for the bottom lash line. I do want to go into blue. And I am going to try to keep it really close to my lash line. I'm actually really bad at doing this, and I end up having like an extremely smoked out lower lash line. But I'm going to try really hard to really keep it super close to my lash line. I don't think this brush is going to help with that. Okay, I think that's what I want to do right there. I don't want to smoke it out because I don't want it to get all the way like down here, but I love that pop of blue in the lower lash line. It's really, really nice, and again, I just think all of these shades in this palette work really well together, so it goes great with the green. Love that. Okay, great. There we go. As for inner corner highlight, I really don't know what to do because I have both of the shimmer shades on my lid already. I think I'm just gonna use this. I use this all the time. This is by Artist Couture. It's one of the Diamond Glow powders. This is, I believe, meant to be a highlight, but I use it all the time as inner corner highlight. And this is in the shade Illuminati. And if you don't have this shade, that's totally fine. I'm sure you can really use anything for your inner corners. I just didn't know particularly what to use in the palette because I used both of the shimmer shades on my lid. Like, look at that. It's so nice. And again, it goes really well with these shades. Okay, I'm gonna apply some mascara really quick and then we will do lips and be done. I love this mascara so much. This is the Marc Jacobs at Lash'd mascara. This is my favorite mascara right now. Like of all time right now. I love it. Okay, so mascara is done. Now we'll finish off with lips, and this is a lipstick that I got during the Sephora VIB holiday sale, but I forgot to show it. I did show it in my haul video, but I never used it like on camera, and that's this. This is the new Pat McGrath lipstick. It's in the shade Omi, which is really, really cute. It came out with her Divine Celestial Divinity palette. This one right here. It came out when she released that. So I want to use this for you guys today because I think it would work really nicely. And look at the little packaging. Look at that. I like that. I should probably use a lip liner, but I don't think I have a lip liner that's close to this color, but here's what the color looks like. It's really, really pretty. I think it's a great color, but I, again, should use a lip liner, but I don't have one this color, so I'm not going to. Such a pretty color. I really like this color a lot. It is kind of purple, so like, I don't know how good it goes with this eye, but I think it looks really nice. And Pat McGrath's lipsticks are just so good. I really, really enjoyed them. But you guys, here is the finished look we did end up creating today with the new Colourpop x Raw Beauty Kristi at Foresight palette. I love this palette. I thought it was fantastic, beautiful, exquisite, phenomenal, all other adjectives. I really, really enjoyed it. I love this look. I think it is so, so pretty. It's very ethereal. It reminds me of the forest. It reminds me of Washington. I've never been to Washington, but it really reminds me of that area because I know it is very green. But I think it's just such a gorgeous palette. They killed it. The team, the Colourpop team, killed the packaging, killed the palette. Kristi killed it with picking out the shades, and it was just, I love it so much. I love this look. I think it's beautiful, and I'm really into it. They worked very, very well, and I have zero complaints. So Kristi, I love you, and I really like your palette. If you ever watch this, I don't know if you ever would, but if you do. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. If you have gotten this palette, what are your thoughts on the palette? Do you have any different thoughts than I have? Do you love it? What else do you think? Let me know in the comments because I would love to know that. But you guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!